Welcome to another episode on our How to Pass AP English Language channel, where we dive deep into the tools and strategies that can elevate your exam performance. Today, we're exploring the timeless art of persuasion through the lens of ethos, pathos, and logos. These pillars of rhetorical strategy are not just foundational for your AP English exam, but are skills that will enhance your ability to communicate and persuade throughout life. The power of persuasion. Persuasion is an art and a science, intricately woven into the fabric of human communication. At its core, persuasion aims to influence someone's beliefs, attitudes, or actions through reasoned argument. It's a skill that you'll find invaluable, not just in AP English, but in virtually every aspect of your life. Mastering the elements of ethos, pathos, and logos will not only boost your exam scores but also equip you with the power to analyze and craft compelling arguments. Ethos, establishing credibility. Ethos is all about credibility or ethical appeal. It's how you convince your audience of your reliability as a speaker or writer. In AP English, showcasing ethos means demonstrating your understanding of the topic at hand and presenting yourself as well-read, thoughtful, and unbiased. Citing authoritative sources, displaying a clear grasp of your subject matter, and acknowledging counterarguments all contribute to strengthening your ethos. Remember, a speaker with strong ethos is seen as trustworthy, and therefore, more persuasive. Pathos, emotional connection. Pathos appeals to the emotions of the audience. It's a powerful tool that can transform a dry argument into something that resonates deeply with the reader or listener. When you employ pathos effectively, you're able to connect on a human level, evoking feelings that can range from empathy and sorrow to joy and hope. In your essays, use vivid language, compelling narratives, and real-world examples to stir emotions. However, it's crucial to balance emotional appeal with logical reasoning to maintain the integrity of your argument. Logos, the logic behind the argument. Logos is the logical aspect of your argument, involving the use of reasoning and evidence to support your claims. This is where your argumentative skills really come into play in AP English. To strengthen your logos, incorporate well-researched data, statistics, facts, and logical reasoning into your writing. A solid argument is built on a foundation of clear, logical progression of ideas, supported by concrete evidence. Remember, logos is not just about presenting facts, it's about how you connect those facts to form a coherent, persuasive argument. Balancing ethos, pathos, and logos. The most effective arguments in AP English are those that skillfully balance ethos, pathos, and logos. A strong essay will establish the writer's credibility, appeal to the audience's emotions, and provide logical evidence to support its claims. This balance is crucial because relying too heavily on one element can weaken your overall argument. For instance, an argument based solely on emotion, pathos, might lack credibility, ethos, or rational basis, logos, making it less persuasive. Practical application in AP English. In the context of the AP English language exam, applying ethos, pathos, and logos can significantly enhance the quality of your essays. When analyzing texts, identify how authors use these strategies to persuade their audience. Understanding and articulating this can score you high marks on the analysis portion of the exam. Similarly, when crafting your arguments, consciously integrate ethos, pathos, and logos to build a compelling case. Practice this integration in your essays, discussions, and any opportunities where you need to persuade or analyze arguments. Conclusion. Ethos, pathos, and logos are not just abstract concepts but practical tools that can elevate your persuasive writing and analytical skills. By understanding and applying these principles, you're not only preparing to ace the AP English language exam but also developing capabilities that will serve you well beyond the classroom. Persuasion is a powerful skill, and mastering it through the lens of ethos, pathos, and logos will open up new opportunities for effective communication and argumentation. Engagement and SEO optimization. We hope this exploration into ethos, pathos, and logos has illuminated these crucial aspects of persuasion and how they can be your allies in AP English language. If you found these insights helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content aimed at helping you conquer the AP English language exam. We're committed to providing you with the tools and knowledge to not only pass but excel in AP English. Do you have any topics or questions you'd like us to tackle next? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you and tailoring our content to meet your needs. Stay tuned for more strategies, tips, and insights designed to empower you in your AP English language journey.